Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to download, install, and register Wonderfox DVD video converter. If you'd like to learn more about this product, check this video review. So I'm on the Wonderfox website. You can check the link in the description section to get a download link. So once downloaded, click on the link using your browser. I'm using Firefox here. Next, you'll see the installer pop-up. Choose your language and click OK. And then click Next. Read the terms of service and then click on I agree. And click Install. It'll then take a few seconds to install and then finally click Finish. You'll get a confirmation message. And you may also see a message like this one if your computer supports hardware GPU acceleration. So click Yes. And this is what the user interface looks like. And if you purchase the full version, you can register it. In order to do so, click on this Register button in the top right corner. And you'll see this dialog box pop up. Enter a license code into this box, and then click on Register. You'll get a confirmation, and then finally click Yes. Feel free to check my review video to learn how to use Wonderfox DVD video converter. And I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.